Take a good look at this image. Do you notice any difference? On your left, a very common Nokia 8110 4G marketed worldwide. On your right-hand side you can see both the Jio Phone and the Nokia 8110 4G sold in India. These last two devices have icons with the title, while the Nokia 8110 4G sold in the rest of the world have only the icon. This suggests that the two phones sold in India feature the same system ROM, with the same Jio applications pre-installed, such as the Jio Store. You will understand that WhatsApp is released only in India for this reason. And for users with a telephone operator rather than Jio, what happens? Jio is the third mobile network operator in India and the ninth largest mobile telephony operator in the world with over 289.44 million subscribers, source Wikipedia, so it has the economic power to support the launch and support for certain determinants applications. For its part, HMD has shown no real interest in its own creature, the Nokia 8110 4G that we, in Europe as in the rest of the world, officially know more about its limits. One thing is certain, if WhatsApp was installable already from September 2018 on a KaiOS device sold in India, then it should have been the same for Nokia 8110 4G, Doro 7060, CAT B35, Alcatel Go Flip, and so on. BananaHackers are a community of Nokia 8110 4G and KaiOS users from all over the world that has over 200 members, including various forums and communication channels. Together we have been trying for months to implement new features on Nokia 8110 4G, and we are constantly trying to free up other devices sold with the same operating system. By unlocking the Jio phone system, it was possible to load and analyze the application. The backend.js file inside the application literally denies the Nokia 8110 4G that it can use the application. At the time of installation, the Nokia 8110 4G sold in the world is detected as a device with outdated and updated software. Actually, Nokia 8110 4G Indian users had already reported us a firmware 10 on their device, therefore more dated than the one currently available in Europe, the firmware 13. Once again we, BananaHackers, are witnesses of a global technology division. Yet this was not the intent of KaiOS, which somehow managed to revive Firefox OS. So I would like to know from you, whose fault is it? The manufacturers have released different devices with KaiOS operating system. It will be launched or not, one voice we can hear repetitively. KaiOS supports WhatsApp. However, the implementation of certain applications and features depend on the choices made by the manufacturer of the device. I personally don't care about WhatsApp, and I don't believe all the other users who have decided to buy the product care that this application is distributed in India. Whoever buys a product has the full right to do what he wants, but if he buys it and has to be constantly frustrated by the constant promises of the market without seeing these promises come through, he gets cheated. KaiOS is a great operating system, with many more possibilities than is shown by those who made the device. The return of the Nokia 8110 4G may have only attracted the curiosity of buyers, to be diverted again on smartphones, because perhaps there is more profit on them, isn't it? Is this what the nostalgia operations are for, HMD? I speak as a buyer, average user, as I was a year ago, before starting this research with the BananaHackers forum. Basta. We are all tired of being taken for idiots. Open the code of your devices and give way to serious people like us, and not as you, to really unleash a revolution in the world of communications. Let us upload third-party apps in a free way, develop VoIP applications, really unite the world of communication instead of continuing to divide it. Make people participate in the growth of software. KaiOS really has this possibility. Let's try to make the most of it. Sincerely yours, Ivan.